Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to wire money on Wells Fargo. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So as a Wells Fargo customer, you can send wire transfer using your online banking account. So what you want to do is you want to log into your account, go to this website, www.wellsfargo.com, enter your login details right here, and then click on sign on. Okay? Look, you can sign on and then you can wire money internationally, but you must have a US based address and the phone number to use Wells Fargo's online wire transfer service. Okay. Then what you're gonna do, guys, is once you log in, what you're gonna do is click on transfer and pay and then select wire money. So this will take you to the wire money page where you can enroll, and what you can do is you can begin your wire transfer. So if you haven't wired money through your Wells Fargo account yet, guys, what you can do is follow the on-screen prompts to enroll now. What you can do is click on add a recipient and then enter the recipient's address and details. So go ahead, click on add recipient, and then what we'll need to do, guys, is you will need to enter, things like the recipient's name and address, the name, address, and country of their bank's routing number if it's domestic, or the 8 or 11 digit SWIFT or BIC number if you're sending money abroad, and of course the recipient bank account number or IBAN. And some countries actually require additional information, so you can add those as well. And then you can choose what currency you want, okay, the amount you want to send, from what account you will be funding that transaction. And after you choose all this, guys, you can go ahead and click on send to start transferring the money. And then you want to give it basically at least one business day for the transfer to happen. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.